आइए और बजाइए। आने से इसमें बदले विचार, बचने से रहता पाखंड सवार, बड़ी सुहानी है क्या हिदायत समाज, ऋषि की निशानी है क्या हिदायत समाज। आने से इसमें बदले विचार,
Thank you so much, Namanji, for the two beautiful and soulful bhajans. It was indeed a pleasure to listen. Next, I will call upon Arun Moiji for a Tamil bhajan.
வருவாய் வருவாய் எமதிரைவா வருவாய் வருவாய் எமதிரைவா தருவாய் நலமே எமக்கிரைவா தருவாய் நலமே எமக்கிரைவா கிருபா கரணே கருணை கடலே கிருபா கரணே கருணை கடலே குணநலம் நிறைந்த எம்பெருமானே குணநலம் நிறைந்த எம்பெருமானே வருவாய் வருவாய் எமதிரைவா தருவாய் நலமே எமதிரைவா நீயே உண்மை நீயே அநாதி நீயே உண்மை நீயே அநாதி உயிரனைத்திடுமே உறையும் சுவாமி உயிரனைத்திடுமே உறையும் சுவாமி வருவாய் வருவாய் எமதிரைவா தருவாய் நலமே எமதிரைவா भजन हिंदी आवो आवो हे भगवान आवो आवो हे भगवान सब जीवन का करो कल्याण सब जीवन का करो कल्याण तुम हो परम कृपा के सागर तुम हो परम कृपा के सागर तुम हो सम्राट और सदाचारी तुम हो सम्राट और सदाचारी तुम हो सत्य सनातन स्वामी तुम हो सत्य सनातन स्वामी कण कण व्यापी अंतर्यामी कण कण व्यापी अंतर्यामी आवो आवो हे भगवान आवो आवो हे भगवान सब जीवन का करो कल्याण सब जीवन का करो कल्याण से इंग्लिश Welcome, welcome, oh my Lord. Welcome, welcome, oh my Lord. Shower your blessings on us all. Shower your blessings on us all. You are kind and also merciful. You are kind and also merciful. You are emperor and full of virtue. You are emperor and full of virtue. You are very true and eternal too. You are very true and eternal too. You dwell in the hearts of one and all. You dwell in the hearts of one and all. Welcome, welcome, oh my Lord. Welcome, welcome, oh my Lord. Shower your blessings on us all. Shower your blessings on us all. Shower your blessings on us all.
Thank you so much, Arun Moiji. It was an excellent performance, an amalgamation of all the 3 languages. It deserves another round of applause. Thank you. Thank you so much. Next, I would like to call upon Anand Aryaji for an impromptu bhajan.
सबको मेरी नमस्ते। संग्राम जिंदगी है, लड़ना उसे पड़ेगा, लड़ना उसे पड़ेगा। संग्राम जिंदगी है, लड़ना उसे पड़ेगा, लड़ना उसे पड़ेगा। जो लड़ नहीं सकेगा आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा, आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा। संग्राम जिंदगी है, लड़ना उसे पड़ेगा, लड़ना उसे पड़ेगा। इतिहास कुछ नहीं है, संघर्ष की कहानी। इतिहास कुछ नहीं है, संघर्ष की कहानी। राणा शिवा भगत सिंह, झांसी की वीर रानी। राणा शिवा भगत सिंह, झांसी की वीर रानी। कोई भी कायरों का इतिहास क्यों पढ़ेगा, इतिहास क्यों पढ़ेगा। कोई भी कायरों का इतिहास क्यों पढ़ेगा, इतिहास क्यों पढ़ेगा। संग्राम जिंदगी है, लड़ना उसे पड़ेगा, लड़ना उसे पड़ेगा। जो लड़ नहीं सकेगा आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा, आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा। संग्राम जिंदगी है, लड़ना उसे पड़ेगा, लड़ना उसे पड़ेगा। आओ लड़े स्वयं के कलुषों से, कलमशों से। आओ लड़े स्वयं के कलुषों से, कलमशों से। भोगों से, वासना से, रोगों के राक्षसों से। भोगों से, वासना से, रोगों के राक्षसों से। कुंदन वही बनेगा, कुंदन वही बनेगा, जो आग पर चढ़ेगा, जो आग पर चढ़ेगा। संग्राम जिंदगी है, लड़ना उसे पड़ेगा, लड़ना उसे पड़ेगा। संग्राम जिंदगी है, लड़ना उसे पड़ेगा, लड़ना उसे पड़ेगा। जो लड़ नहीं सकेगा आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा, आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा, आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा, आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा।
दूरमुदयति हैवं तनुसुप्तस्य तथैवैति। दूरङ्गमं ज्योतिषां ज्योतिरेकं तन्मे मनः शिवशङ्करमस्तु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। Namaste to all and one present here. Today we will discuss one mantra which are taken from Yajurveda chapter 14, mantra 1. All you have to repeat after to me. You have to speak Om Isavasyam
ईशावास्यम्
Idam Sarvam
इदं सर्वं
Yat Kimcha
यत्किञ्च
Jagatyam Jagat
जगत्यां जगत्
Tena Taktena
तेन तक्तेन
Bhunjithaha
भुञ्जितः
Magrithaha
मागृतः
Kasya Svidhanam.
कृष्यस्वितरणम्.
The meaning of this mantra is we'll learn by one, word by one. So first is the Om. The Om, the meaning of Om is protector from all direction in all situation. Isa means God. Vasya means living. Idam means it. Sarva means whatever are present here. Yat Kimcha Jagatyam Jagat. It means God are present in each and every particles of this universe. Tena taktena bhunjitha, and whatever we are get in this world, ma vidha kasya svidhanam, and we should enjoy this world whatever we have got, and we should not try to steal any other things in a injustice way or stealing. So first the sentence, first vakya saying Isa Vasyam Idam Sarvam Yat Kimcha Jagatyam Jagat. It means God is omnipresent. We will understand by this sentence by one small story. Once upon a time, there was a king and he never ever going to meditate to the God. His minister always saying, "O king, please take out some time and thank to the God, meditate to the God. God is giver of ultimate happiness." So after saying one time, two time, third time, that king become very angry and saying, "Oh minister, definitely I will thank to the God, meditate to the God. First tell me where is God and how I can realize the God. If you not giving the answer of these two questions, definitely I will give a punishment to you." So that minister asked one day time to give the right answer of this as the questions. That minister went to the home. After searching a lot, he not able to find the answer of where is God and how I can realize the God. So he became very upset. That grandson, after saying to their grandfather, he asked, "Oh Dadaji, why are you so upset? I have seen never ever like this. आप इतने चिंतित क्यों हैं?" तो दादाजी ने, that grandfather, okay, so that grandfather told my grandson that king had asked me two questions, where is God and how I can realize the God, but I am not able to find the answer of these asked questions. If not able to give the right answer, then king will punish to me. So that grandson told very simple answer of this asked question. I can give the answer of this asked question. So that minister became very happy and saying, "Tell me, my grandson, what is the answer of this question?" So that grandson saying, "I will give the answer of asked question to the king, not to you. Let me take tomorrow to the king's court." On the next day, minister and his grandson come to the king's court and she said to the king, "O king, your answer is so simple that our grandson give the answer whatever you have asked the questions." That king saying, "Okay Balak, tell me what is the answer of asked the questions, where is the God and how I can realize the God." That grandson saying, "Okay, you don't know the Indian cultures. In Indian cultures, whatever the guest coming first, we are going to offer some water and some food particles. Then we are going to ask, what is the cause of to come here? What is the reason to come here?" So that king saying, "Okay Balak, what do you want to take?" So that Balak, that boy told, "If you are going to give a one bowl of milk, I am very happy in that." So that king told, "Bring some one bowl of the milk for the boy." So after getting one bowl of the milk, he was trying to find out in the milk, and after spending some time, that king become very angry and saying, "Balak, why are you not drinking the milk? Why are you wasting the time?" That boy saying, O king, I have heard there is a butter in the milk, and I am trying to find out that butter in the milk. So that king laughing and saying, Nadan Balak, there is definitely butter in the milk. To get the butter, you have to put some curd in that. You have to leave it up to 8 to 9 hours, and after that we are going to churn it, and after churning we are going to get the butter. So that boy smiling and saying to the king, O king, as you told, there is a butter in the milk, like that in this universe there is a God present each and every particles of this corner. So that king become very happy and saying, how we are going to realize the God? So that boy saying, as you told, to realize the God, first you told that you have to make this curd, milk you have to turn into the curd, and when the curd is going to become, then we are going to churn it like that. Similarly, you have to calm our mind. When our mind is become a calm by chanting the Om or some mantras, then you are going to realize the God within you. So king become very happy, and from that day he started meditating to the God. Second sentence saying Tena Taktena Bhunjidha Ma Vidha Kasya Svidhanam. It means whatever the God given to us, we have to enjoy with all the things, and we should never ever try to get the others' way by injustice or stealing. So we'll understand by one small story. Once upon a time, there was Naradji and going somewhere, and he met one farmer who was guarding their field. So that farmer asked to the Naradji, O Naradji, how much grains will be in our field? You are the great devotee of the Lord. Whatever you are going to say, that will be not a false. So let me know how much grains will be there. So Naradji told, there will be 800 kg grains in your field. And after saying like that, he went back to the boy. Now the farmer was very happy and he relaxed. He was thinking that definitely whatever the Lord Naradji told, there will be 800 kg grains in our field. So when the grains rise up, he cut it and store in the barn. Barn means khalihan, we know say that one particular place there we are going to cut all the crops and store it at the one place. So that he store one place, and he was thinking that Naradji had told there will be 800 kg of the food grains in our field. Why should not we should get the more grains from others' farm? From that day he started stealing the grains from the other farms and storing in their own farms. So after storing many days, he was very happy that now there will be 400 extra grains in our field. So 800 plus 400, total 1200 grains will be in our field. And when he threshed it, lift it and weighed it, there will be only 800 kg of the grains. Now that farmer become very angry and saying all the Babas are liars, they are not knowing anything about anything, simply saying like that. So he was become angry and he was shouting like that. Meanwhile, that Naradji passing to the same path, and he heard, and after hearing that Lord Naradji told, what's happened, brother? Why are you so upset or angry? So that saying, Babaji, you are a big liar. You told me that there will be 800 kg grains in our field, and after that I have stolen so much grains from the other's field and kept in my field, and after thresh it, lifting it, baked it, there were only 800 kg grains. Where are the 400 other grains? So that Naradji told, as I told you, there will be 800 kg grains in your field. Like that I have told to the some other also. You have stealing, you have taken from the other's farm and kept in your, like that some other also have stolen your grains and kept in their own field. So like that there is only 800 kg of the grains in your field. So after hearing the logical answer from the Naradji, he became quiet and he become silence. And after seeing that, Naraji went back to the abode. So what is the moral of this story? We should not try to get the other things, other materials by injustice way or stealing. Whatever the God given to us, we should be happy in that. We should be always feel prosperous in that, and we should enjoy the whatever we have got the things. Even that Yog Darshan saying to us, Mahasi Patanjali saying by in a Yog Darshan, Asteya Pratisthaya Sarvaratna Upasthanam. It means by doing the hard work or effort, we can get everything whatever we need. So once again, we will try to understand, we will try to speak this mantra. You have to repeat after me. Om Isavasyam
Ishavashyam
Idam Sarvam
idam sarvam
Yat Kimcha
yat kincha
Jagatyam Jagat
jagatyam jagat
Tena Taktena
tena taktena
Hunjithaha
kunjitaha
Magrithaha
magridha
Kasya
kasya
Svedhanam.
svedhanam.
So this mantra clearly saying to the all the human beings, we should not try to steal any other things by injustice way. Whatever the God given to us, we should be happy in those all the things, and we should always do the hard work to get whatever we want. Now, if anybody have a questions regarding this mantra, you can ask to me. Yes, anybody?
Sarvavyapi, Ishwar Sarvavyapi.
Yes,
Is it right or wrong?
it is right, sir. Ishwar is a Sarvavyapi. That's a story I told you, na? Like that in the milk there is a butter, and we can get it by doing some process like that. If you want to realize the God, you have to meditate continuously. When your mind, when the thoughts are going to stop coming in your mind, then you are going to realize the God. Yes? Anybody? Any have any other question? So we'll wind up this here. Once again, we speak this mantra. I'll have to repeat after me. Om
Om
Isavasyam
Ishavashyam
Idam Sarvam
idam sarvam
Yat Kimcha
yat kincha
Jagatyam Jagat
jagatyam jagat
Tena Taktena
tena taktena
Hunjithaha
kunjitaha
Magrithaha
magridha
Kasya Svedhanam. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.